In last video, we study the underground modification of stem. In this video, we study the subaerial modification of stem and aerial modification of stem. Initially, we study the subaerial modification of stem. Some what is subaerial modification of stem? The lower buds of stem in certain plants are grown out in long or short, slender and lateral branches for the purpose of vegetative propagation. For the purpose of vegetative propagation, these stems are modified in, that is number one, runner. Runners are arise as an auxiliary bud and some distance always from the mother plant. Keep some distance from mother plant, then the roots are grow into new plants. These are known as runners. Many such runners are produced by the mother plant and they spread outgrowth or outward on ground. For example, cynodon that is the hriali, which is commonly found in our field. Then the stolon. Stolon is the slender lateral branch which originate from the base of stem, and bends down into the ground. It is develop the roots, buds which are grow new plant or produce new plant. For example, jasmine flower plant is the more commonly example of stolons which are produced in over the lateral branches. Then the offset, it is form or originate from the axils of leaf as a short or more less thick and horizontal branch. It elongates to some extent only. The apex then the turn up and produce leaves above, and in a cluster of roots are developed below the stem. The offsets often break away from the mother plant and independent one. For example, water lettuce is the example of offset. Then the suckers. It is the lateral branch developed from the underground part of stem, but it grows obliquely upward and gives a leafy shoots and form new plant. For example, pineapple, banana are produced as a suckers which is form new plants. These are the example. Then we study the aerial modification of stem. The aerial modification of stem, it develop or modified. Stems are modified for special structure which perform specific functions. So it is a vegetative and floral buds which normally develop into the branches and flowers. These are the known as a aerial modification of stem. Number one, we study the stem tendril. It is the thin, wiry, leafless, spirally coiled-like structure are formed only some climbers, and it is used for climbing organ. The tendrils coming on contact of any object of coil and it coiled and rounded. It help such plants. For example, grapes, cucurbits are the examples of stem tendril. Then we study the thorn. It is the modification of stem. The thorn is hard, often straight and pointed structure. It may be modified from from an auxiliary bud. For example, citrus, bougainvillea, acacia are the examples of thorn. Then we study the other points or other parts of stem, that is the leaf. What is the leaf? We initially study the definition. The leaf is the flattened lateral outgrowth of stem or branch which is developed from a node and have a bud in its axis is known as a leaf. It is normally green color due to presence of chloroplast and regarded as the most important vegetative organ of plant since the food is synthesized by the leaf during the photosynthesis process. So important leaves are the important parts of the plant. The leaves are also classified as a simple leaf, then the compound leaf. Simple leaf when it consists of single leaf blade and its lamina is entire and undivided or may be in some depth but not up to the midrib or petiole is known as a simple leaf. For example, cotton plant leaf and mango plant leaf are the example of simple leaf. Then we study the compound leaf. Compound leaf when the division of leaf blade goes up to the midrib or petiole so that the leaf is broken or divided into a number of segments or leaflets. For example, rose, gulmohar, citrus are the example of compound leaf. Then we study the different parts of the leaf. Leaf apex, leaf margins, leaf blade, it is also known as a leaf lamella. Then the mid veins or midribs, then the petiole, stipules, leaf blade, leaf base. These are the parts of leaf. So these parts are also studied when you should write down as a notes that time. These are the explain with diagram. So student, we study next part, remaining next part explanation in our next video. So thank you student.